Aye, how's it going today? Back at last It's been a few weeks. Been a busy way working and saving pennies for obviously more builds and more toys, so yeah, it's nice and early, 7 o'clock in the morning. I've got my old dear's car here today, and I know this is not typically what most folk on this channel want to see, but you know, there's maybe help somebody out. So basically it's a 207 59 plate, which is 59 2010, and yeah, Mum put it to a garage to get some brakes checked on it, because the brakes are scrubbing metal to metal by the sound of things, but they couldn't get the wheel off, so the nuts have been seized on, so yeah, she was told to get them drilled out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get them off, because I don't fuck about, innit? I've got a couple of things I want to try anyway, and we'll see if we can get these nuts cracked off. But it'll be a short video today, but at least it's better than nothing at all. So yeah, right guys, cheers. What I've got here, 17mm, which is typically the stud pattern, a big breaker bar, big hammer fat, and the impact driver. This is handy for getting screws and stuff out, because when you hit it, it twists at the top and normally cracks off bolts. This is my hopeful tool that I'm going to get these off with. So firstly, take off these caps if they want to come. Hey. I'm going to smack these in now. Gotta make sure it's going the right way. Yeah, listen. One. Two. Three. Good old lock and wheel nut as well. This shouldn't be untightened any. One of four. I'm going to crack these off, and if I get them cracked off, I'll jack up the car. Oh! Nice! Right. Oh. That's the problem. Listen, I don't understand why garages seem to like to fuck people over like that. I mean, that tool's probably about a £5 from eBay. It's a impact driver, and let's see if they're having to get things drilled out in that. But anyway, what I'm going to do now is jack the car up, take the wheel off, take the caliper off, and I'm going to take the pads and the discs and the Euro car parts, get the exact right ones, because there's a couple of different sizes. And yeah, so I'll get some photos and videos of stripping it all down anyway, so you can see what's going on. Right guys, so yep, it's a good lip on that, same with the bottom, and the back feels pretty worn too, so these pads and discs have definitely had their money's worth. She's good job that, and the roll bar looks a wee bit suspect, so I'll give everything a good look over, bushes, and just in case there's anything needing replaced. But yeah, right, first things first, caliper off. Don't know what size these are, could be 12mm, could be 13. So take them off either side, top end comes off, and then the pads come out. Then I'll measure up the discs, and I'll get the right ones. Right, so I've done now. One bolt, sorted. And the other one, I don't know why, I don't know if somebody's been at this before, but the bottom end seems to be a 12. So, top end was a 13, the bottom end was a 12. Again, I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or what, but there you go. And then we just leave it off this caliper. Yeah, it looks okay, the seal doesn't look too bad. And I've got a tool which I'll actually press this back in. And then I'll have these discs, these pads out. Oh. Nah, not too bad this side. I'm not going to get into that one. Sorted. Right, so that's the pads out. These ones don't actually look too bad, but obviously we didn't do just one side, we do both sides. So what I'll do now is there'll be, what did they tell me that's Torx? Oh nut. Torx at the back of this. I'll pull the Torx off, caliper cradle off. I'll actually maybe just take this Torx piece out here and see if the disc can come away without taking this off, but if I'm honest with you, with it being Peugeot, it's probably not gonna. These can be a bit of a nightmare as well. T30, see when I'm pushing that, it's rotating. So basically when I get a chap with a hammer, same thing happens. Because these can get stripped to hell of an easy. So do it that way and it all comes out. Right, let's see if this can come off. Nah, cradle's gonna have to come off. Somebody's giving me a wee phone. Right guys, so two big ugly looking T55 pieces in here. Pretty much T a million. Absolutely mental that that's Torx and not normal bolts or like every other car in the world. I'm actually not going to get a shot of that with a hammer, so I'll maybe just give it a chap anyway, and then we'll get the breaker bar in the back of it. Right. Trusty breaker bar. And oh yeah, beast! Sorted. One, two. I don't know why, if it's just with me filming or me slagging this Peugeot, but for some reason it's coming apart. They don't normally come apart as easily, so we'll see what else it has in store for us. I'm sure it'll throw a fuck into something somewhere, strip a bolt, or just wheel will fall off or something like that. So that's one. Two. And if I give this carrier, oh, I don't even need to give it a chap, look at that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get your discs and pads off a 2010 Peugeot 207. So you put the dirty discs in the bag and then, oh, look at that! Some new discs. I got these from Euro Car Parts, and they were £47 for two discs, and oh, it's all falling out in the bag. and the set pads. Oh. Hey Rosie! That's a bargain, wasn't it? Cheeky monkey. So what we're going to do now is we're going to crack out Dad's wind back tool and we're going to put it in the caliper. Wind back the caliper, give everything a nice clean down with some brake cleaner, and we're going to stick this side back together. So now what I'm going to do is I've got my tool for winding it back, slot it in, take up the slack, and then just wind this back, and you'll see the piston start pushing inside the caliper. Nice and easy. I used to do these without tools, and that was a bit of a nightmare. So I think the tool's £15 or something like that for an eBay. So it's worth every penny. So stick that back in there. Another wee tip as well, if you've not done this before, is maybe is open the cap for the brake reservoir, and it also eases it. So look at that, push back in again. Another thing you need to do is, I don't know if you can see that, but that's like an oil. That's like a preserving sort of oil. So we'll need to take all that off. Yeah, a nice clean rag and sort of good mist brake cleaner. That generally takes it all off. So we'll do that both sides, and then you can see I've stuck that little screw back in again. Here's another little thing I'll show you. When you try and fit the brake pads in as is, you'll find this is with most manufacturers. You stick them in, and they're bloody solid. The pads actually drag. So I tend to take file just to the corners. See, this piece is here, around here. And the reason for that is because when these are actually cut out on the sort of guillotine or press or whatever it is, there's a bit of an overlap, and the overlap itself is just a bit too tightly toleranced for the brakes themselves. So what I do is I'll just take a file and I'll just kind of go around the edges and take the high spots off, and you'll see it'll go in nice and neat. Next stage is a stage that's maybe overlooked by some people, is these sliders. So these are supposed to float in and out freely. And this one is solid, so I'll do it both of them. You don't just do the one. Take it off, and then I'll give it a bit of a clean up and a bit of a grease. Stick it back in. And as you can see now, perfect. All that's left to do, stick the caliper on, and put a wee bit of grease on here on the contact pads, and bolt this wheel back up and start the other side. And there we go. New discs and pads on the 207. So yeah, just got to stick on the wheel and crack onto the other side. I noticed underneath there's actually a ball joint that's split, so I'm gonna get a new ball joint for that, but I'll do that before the MOT. It's not gonna fall off anytime soon. But yeah, overall the job's pretty easy. There's nothing really much to it. Just for if anyone's interested, and I was a bit bored, I thought I'd make a wee video anyway. Get myself back into the routine and all that. But yeah, so like I say, other side exactly the same as this side, so I'm not going to show you that because it'd be a waste of your time. But if you're ever, needing questions answered, or even fire a question this way, and I'll answer it, no problem at all, or try to at least. But yeah, it's save yourself a couple of quid and give it a shot yourself. Alright guys, catch you later.